Okay, we're asked to find the equation of a perpendicular line that passes through a certain point and give it in that particular form. So here we go. I've got to find the midpoint. So the midpoint is going to be, well, here we go, 2 plus minus 1 over 2 and 3 plus 7 over 2, which equals, what's that, a half. Okay, I'll put it as 0.55. Okay, so that's the first thing. We've then got to find the gradient between the 2 points. So gradient is going to be, right, it's rise over the run, of course, so 7 minus 3 over, where are we, 2, minus 1 minus 2. So we've got 4 over minus 3. So there you go. So therefore, that's the gradient between the 2 points. So the perpendicular is going to be 3/4. All right, happy with that. All right, because the two have got to multiply to make minus 1, haven't they? So there you go. In order to give our perpendicular meet at 90 degrees. Now, we've got the point, we've got the gradient, so let's put everything into here. So it's y minus the y coordinate equals 3/4 x minus the x coordinate. I'll put a half this time actually. So there you go. Now I'm going to multiply that out. Now the easiest thing to do, and the reason I use this instead of y equals mx plus c, because I'm actually going to multiply 3 by 4 first of all. Minus 20 equals 3x minus a half. Okay, good. Then I'm going to multiply out. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to go up here, aren't I? So we've got 4y minus 20 equals 3x minus 3 over 2. Now, I don't want fractions in here, so I'm going to multiply 3 by 2. So we've got 8y minus 40 equals 6x minus 3, and then it says we've got to get everything into this form here. Alright, so that we've got to get everything onto the left hand side of the equals, as it were. So here we go, we've got 8y minus 6x minus 37 equals 0. Now if you've got 6x minus 8y plus 37, that is also fine, but there you go. Now where people drop marks here is they forget to put it in this form. There you go. It's forgetting to find the actual perpendicular rather than the forget to find the perpendicular, and then in fact finding the equation of the line between those 2 points, and forgetting or getting a bit confused with the fractions is another thing. So there you go, but pretty straightforward.